Thank you. $99. 99 pesos lang yan. Sarap ng sabaw. May dala tayo. May baon tayo niyan. Okay.
So hello po, I'm Lovely po from La Jolla Hotel and Beach Resort. So resort namin is located in Bagang, Bataan. So hindi pa po nakakapunta sa amin. So ngayon po marami na kaming bagong development po. Bali ito is first time hotel na po kami.
Sarap ng pagkamon niya, no?
And bali all accommodation naman and events, in-either po namin siya. Though yung weddings po is extended po namin. So, hopefully po sa kasal makakuha tayo ng views. Beach weddings po. Bali, first time na tayo.
Good afternoon, greetings, Patrick. We're from Dogs to the Event Center. So, for weddings, really with 2,000 packs. Tapos, we welcome every suppliers also, not only from Pampanga, also in Manila. Everyone's welcome there. So, meron din kami Blessed and Bon, located in the heart of the city of San Fernando. So, yun yung nice proposal.